The Lok Sabha will today take up the Post Office Bill 2023 for consideration and passing, which was moved by the Union Minister Ashwani Vaishnaw on Wednesday. Home Minister Amit Shah said that breach of Parliament security was a serious security lapse and assure stringent measures to strengthen the security system in days to come. In Rajasthan, BJP Legislature Party leader Bhajan Lal Sharma will take oath as Chief Minister today. Governor Kalraj Mishra will administer the oath to Sharma and his two deputies. The government's net direct tax collection from April to November 2023 stood at 58.34% of budget estimate at 10.64 lakh crore rupees. In women's cricket, India piled up huge 410 runs for the loss of 7 wickets on first day of the one-off test against England at Dai Patel Sports Academy in Mumbai last evening.